to these useless zombie bastards. I'd rather starve than be ruthless, so I put barbed wire. That should buy some time to plan our defenses. Pick up the chairs.
You're right. I'm glad that. I mean, he's lucky he started. No, he's looking out in the snow. Oh, there I go. He really wants him to stop. He says he's extra sore. Yeah.
That's a smart ass one. Like, it's actually. There's a sea dog. Okay. Yeah. Alright. There's one other store. Hey, Dominic. Hey, it's calling back. Wow! Holy shit! Jesus!
What was that about?
That was almost. He just blasted out of here, too!
Yeah. Look at the puppies.
Puppies?
Puppies.
What are they doing with that?
Everybody honking and shit.
This is a big mess.
Excuse you, lady. Bitch. Oh, they got a boot.
Ooh.
Oh, Jesus, bro.
Fucking bro. Alright. Yeah, exactly.
He's coming down the wrong way.
He was.
Ego a little important, I'm sort of not fortunate to I'm losing my footing, but when around you would force it. The source is forcing me to pour my heart and soul into music. It's even me favorite. I'm sharing this careless approach, and I'm hoping I'll never be used
What the
electric.
fuck?
Subdue all the stress. My spirit is fluid, you hear the influence. I'm doing my best, so fucking regret. Never been afraid to die, so why be afraid of success?
Jesus Christ, guys!
And I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. And I'm not
Fuck.
dead yet.
I've been told for a long time that I can be very, very, very stressed out or angry and not show it at all.
Yeah, I can't do that.
What? Oh. Did you need to go? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he did.
It's Florida.
Yeah.
Hey.
Please go. Fuck. You can't go left. Alright, you... So good, dude. Ooh, what the fuck?
A whip like it's a pistol, step it on him. Little bitch, you a tomboy. They battle like Mexican kung.
Figure it out, man.
In the ocean, jerk off your musket with no lotion.
Coca-Cola. This can't escape it. You've all got a can. Female trucker
User Jen says, so I was stuck behind the city going very slow in the middle lane of the Mass Pike. I finally got to pass.
Like my PC and make you kiss my ass on broadcast national TV. Later smack down on all these whack clowns in the circus. They used to be referred to as the fucking rap circuit. I'll rap circles around these cats without scratching the surface.
Woo! Alright, we're locked. What is that plate?
Zone, slow down. It's the law. This station is part of the Beasley Best community of caring. Get driving safety tips at respondersafety.com or visit our website.
You can find your own personal pot of gold this month at findmassmoney.com. There's
Actually, a golf cart driver arrested on a drunk driving charge told the cops that she was at the wheel because her elderly mother was too drunk to drive. Oh well, I have to take the wheel. Oh, fun.
Dude.
Buddy.
I'm about to do something.
Fun the shit sound like fun, but I won't give you the luxury of me getting drunk and sleeping on your front lawn tonight. And now you call me on the phone to tell me that you miss me and you're home alone. What a trip. Funny how the roles switch, stupid bitch. Life, that's what all the people say. Ride night in April. Shot
God damn it, guys. Pay attention.
Brain, the layout change over start lane. Still got nobody to blame. Bulls I never hit with a bad aim. Tail like your mom, riding this classic sound. Too stuck to turn it all around. I'm ready to roll with it now. Now and then I think about those days.
Assuming that says freeze. Where was I? Shit. Okay. Oh, right. Okay.
Oh yeah, we were so tight. Luck was always on our side. You gave it all. We're still here, just waiting for our turn to go, but no one seems to notice.
Okay.
We're still swimming upstream with the best of us.
I always thought they got a percentage, but I don't know how it works. You know, I don't know how it works. That dude made more money than I thought most people make on it. He must be doing it all the time. Must do it constantly. Yeah, you have to.
Minnesota, Reading, Pennsylvania, Reading, and Ann Arbor, Michigan. Third highest in terms of Wordle scores. Yeah, I mean, I think my
my kid plays it, and he plays it on
Oh,
something
dude.
like Little Unlimited or something, and I don't know, it's like non-stop. It's not like there's just one a day.
Finally, someone let me out of my cage. Now, time for me is nothing cause I'm counting no age. Now, I couldn't be there. Now, you shouldn't be scared. I'm
Oh,
good
damn.
affairs, and I'm under your snare. Intangible. Bet you didn't think, so I command you to. Panoramic view. Look, I'll make it all.
Please remain calm. The end has arrived. I cannot save you.
We forget the infection. Will we remember the lesson? It's the suspense that they kill you.
Fuck, dude. God. My debit card. Let's go, bud. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What are you doing? Let's go. Oh my God, it's a fucking green light. Fucking Jesus, dude. Jesus, dude. Like D&D and stuff, or at least it was when I lived over here. Not really a business, but like a. Okay, go ahead. You're already halfway out. Okay. Okay, you just do whatever.
People everywhere. It's the best part of the city. Everyone's just cutting in and out of each other.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
I don't know. Hello?
What are you doing?
Jesus.
Out of the haze, out of the grave.
I know how hard it can be, but if you're free, then see. Yeah, life's too short. Yes, I'm gonna roll one. Life's too short. Yes, I'll have a cold one.
Two-way street, bro. Is the light, red light. Okay.
Last night, what did we do? Everything in answer, but nobody remembers what we did last night. Said I'm already that's just how I live. Said I'm already that's just how I live. Said I'm already that's so I'm already that's so I'm already that's so.
I'm fucking fucking know what's going on. Goddamn president here.